Reducing the total capital and operational expenditure of distribution networks while improving the safety, the security and the carbon footprint of the network is the key challenge driving Omexom's offers. Omexom has the skills to deliver a comprehensive project encompassing all phases: innovation, feasibility, design, build and maintenance. Omexom has extensive experience including new greenfield projects such as rural electrification, as well as major life extension refurbishment work, network concealment, capacity upgrades, total line rebuilds and asset maintenance. In addition, we hold specific experience in gas distribution to accompany gas DSOs in the expansion, upgrading and maintenance of their gas distribution networks, from regulator stations all the way to the meter. Omexom strives to find ways by which its DSO clients' traditional business models can be rendered more competitive and efficient, while at the same time improving the service delivered to end customers. We are Omexom.